Alright, I'm changing a stator on a 2001 Yamaha Wolverine 350. So far I just went and took off all the bolts that go around the cover. They're 8mm. You just take them all off. First you gotta take off this little cover right here, and you use a 5mm hex key. You got two bolts, one there, take that off. Then you use a 10mm socket, screw this off. Gotta use a screwdriver to kind of wedge it loose. Once you get that off, just get it out the way. So far I got all them bolts off. You're also gonna have to remove your pull start, and make sure you put a oil pan under there. I just put it under, didn't know it was gonna leak oil. Glad I did. You got to take a 17mm and take this off, bolt off. Slide that out, and then you slide this out, and I'm guessing that allows it to slide off. You got two pry points. You got to pry it here and there. We're going to try to pry this cover off right here at this point, and just pry against that, and let's see what happens. Alright, when you're prying it off, put like a little WD-40 on the outside of that, and just pry it off, slide it out. Be careful, because you got these gears that are sitting loose in here. That way you know which one goes where when you put it back. And that's pretty much all you got to worry about, because this one gear right here sits behind here, and it'll catch on this, so you kind of tilt it up and work it out. Alright, it seems like you got to take these two bolts out, take this little bracket that's holding this piece in all the way down there, and then you got to take these Phillip heads out, and should be able to remove it. Oh yeah, and you use a, let's see this thing, focus, a 4mm hex head. If you want to reuse your gasket, if it looks pretty good, you have to cut this little section off to reveal, I guess this is the pickup coil, so you can expose these bolts. You gotta remove those. These came out pretty easy. And let's see if they're 4mm hex. Yeah, just back them suckers out. Alright, just pulled out the stator. You may have to replace your gasket, because you got to rip it out because of this, where the plug goes through here, or you could just fill it in with some gasket maker. Be fine. And then you got these grooves where the wire goes for your pickup, and everything just tethers through here and not through there. Put it back together the way you took it off.